My dryer wasn't drying very well, so I set out to figure out why. After some research, I figured out it was likely just dirty. So I bought this nifty tool. This is called the Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. You can buy this on Amazon for less than 10 bucks. This tool is great because you can attach it to your vacuum. Plus, it fits most vacuums. Here's a quick look at the instructions. Keep watching and I'll show you how I cleaned my dryer vent. The first step is to unplug the dryer. You'll most likely need to pull the dryer out from the wall to be able to access the plug. And you'll have to pull it out anyway to access the back of the dryer so you can pull the tube off and be able to vacuum out and clean the tube. Look how dirty it is back here. Definitely need to clean that too. You'll want to clean out this tube as well as the one in the wall. Now you can attach this long blue hose to the hose nozzle on your vacuum. It should fit on most vacuum hoses. You just have to stretch the rubber to fit around whatever hose you have for your vacuum. We have a classic Shark vacuum and I was able to get it to work. Next, you'll want to pull out the dryer lint catcher and vacuum it off. Mine had an average amount of lint on it. Sometimes there's definitely a lot more, but I figured I may as well vacuum it all off since it's never been done. You'll use the blue hose attachment to vacuum off the lint screen. Just do the whole thing, including the edges, to get it nice and clean. I think this looks pretty good. So this tool is pretty cool because the attachment is flat and it's able to stick down inside of the lint holder. So I thought that was pretty sweet. So you'll want to push it all the way in and down to the bottom of the holder and then go back and forth like this. And then you can look down inside there with a light to see what it looks like and to make sure you got everything out of there. If not, just make sure you do it again until it's all clean. Now just put the lint catcher back and you're done with that section. Now we'll move on to the back of the dryer. You'll want to loosen the screw there if you have a clamp like that and then pull off the tube from the back of the dryer. Then just grab the vacuum hose that has the attachment on it and start sucking out the tube on the back of the dryer. I would say just keep doing this until you feel pretty good that it's nice and clean. You could grab a light just to look up inside there and double check. Now you'll want to use the same tool to suction out the tube itself. And now you want to use the same tool to suction out the tube that goes into the wall behind the dryer. Next, you'll want to hook all the tubes back up how they go to the back of the dryer and into the wall, and then you're done. You can go ahead and push the dryer back into position and feel confident it's all cleaned out. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.